Good morning, everyone. Welcome at English lesson. At English online lesson. So, your tasks for this lesson are the following. First one, do exercise number 2. Continue the sentences below. So here you have to use conditionals. Pay attention at all the conditional from this scheme, for example, 0, first, second, and third one. Yeah, so let's see first example. I would be happy to live in Sweden if. So do you know what's the number of this conditional? Pay attention. The first sentence would be, okay, and for example, it is the second conditional. Of course, it is the second. And in the if clause, here you have to use past simple tense, yes? So I would be happy to live in Sweden if I had a new apartment there. Exemplu, dacă eu aș fi avut had a new apartment, un nou apartament nou. The second sentence, here you have what? If she hadn't had that serious illness. So first conditional, of course it is first one. And pay attention what you have to use in the main clause. I would have plus past participles. Ok. So past participle este ce este? Este verbul din coronița a treia sau verbul cu terminația ed. So this is the first task. Good luck!